What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with AskKing.com. Hit you with another video today. And really quick, I realized I've been doing these videos in my car for the last year and a half. Just doing random videos in my car on my lunch break when I get home, etc. So that's the beauty of YouTube. You can make videos pretty much anywhere. Today's topic, I want to answer a question to my best of my ability: how to make money online without a blog, website, or email list. Now, I've written a blog post about this as well. Not a big blog post, but not a decent size. Get right to the point. You will want to. I'll put a disclaimer right there. You will want to have an email list. You will want to have a blog and a website because you want multiple streams of income. Okay, you want 5 or 6 different things bring you in money versus one, relying on one. So when that one go down, you're stuck. So, but if you have other streams of income, you can support yourself. So my advice, first of all, is to get a blog. Now, blog does cost some money. It's like $4 or $5 a month, and maybe $10 for a domain name. I use Bluehost. And you use Bluehost, my affiliate link is below the video. And I also use Aweber for my email list. So you want to use Aweber as the email provider. I'll link below the video as well. But besides that, you will make money online without those things. So a few things that I've done outside of those things is what I've done in the past. And what I've done in the past is what I'm doing now is YouTube. YouTube is terrific for, building a channel, creating videos, and getting your message out there. So create a YouTube channel. It's totally free. So the first thing I would do is create a YouTube channel. I might create 2 or 3 YouTube channels in 3 different niches. So create you a YouTube channel. The second way you make money online will be with paid traffic, with solo ads, I want to say Google ads, Bing ads. You think about it, every single social media platform has paid traffic. And the one I like the most is Pinterest traffic, because Pinterest, you pretty much create a, they changed some stuff around now. You can't put an affiliate link in there, but maybe a link to your landing page. But essentially, Pinterest is probably my top tier one, because if people see your pin, they will share your pin, and they will share it and reshare it. So it has the potential to get viewed by multiple people for free. And once the ad is done, you can still get repins and pins. So Pinterest would be a good one. I use Bing ads as well. I use Udemy solo ads, but the best paid traffic I've seen is probably Pinterest. And I might even do that for some of my blog posts as well, buy some traffic. You might spend like $10, $20, but you just get the gist of it. So paid traffic will be another way. Building a social media following, Instagram. This is where, or Facebook. Instagram is terrific because you can start posting photos each and every day. And what you could do is build you a nice following on Instagram, because that's how these top influencers start. They start with 0, and they just start to build up photos and stuff like that to a point and get followers, and to a point where it's making them passive income. You can promote products to them, to those people. So social media will be a good one. You could build a nice Pinterest account, Pinterest boards. You use Instagram, you can use Facebook to make money. And those things will take time because you have to build those things up. They're not as cut dry as a buying an ad, but so you have to build those things up over time. So what I would do is I would do Pinterest, Instagram, maybe Facebook. There's so many different platforms out there. You have YouTube, there's paid traffic, and what other ways to make money online besides blogging and email marketing? There's paid traffic, there's social media. That's probably it. I don't see what else you could be doing besides those things. You gotta buy traffic, unless you have a huge a social media presence. You gotta, the goal is to get traffic. That's the goal. The goal is to get eyeballs and to get people looking at your affiliate links to click on it. That's the name of the game. And there's two types. There's paid traffic and free traffic. And free traffic is blogging, YouTube, social media, and paid traffic is just paid traffic. So you gotta spend some money on some paid traffic. So if you don't want to spend no money, if you want to do it totally free or low cost, I mean very low cost, I would start a YouTube channel and a blog and the email list to start. I mean, you're not spending, you might spend $20 a month on Aweber, you know, $5-4 a month on hosting. So you spend low, but you're gonna spend more money on paid traffic, testing and tweaking. Because just because you put an ad out there on Bing or whatever, it doesn't mean it's going to be successful. So you might well just go ahead and spend the money now on a, and then once you buy a package from Bluehost, it might last you 2-3 years. So you're not spending more money. You pay for all that front, and you can have it 3 or 4 years. You can build you a big website. So those are my recommendations: YouTube, paid traffic, build a huge social media platform. There's also flipping stuff on eBay, flipping stuff on OfferUp. You can flip stuff online as well. You can do online jobs as well, like writing, virtual assistant, do resumes online. If you're a designer, you can design logos for people online. So there's a lot of ways to make money. You can be, if you know how to write good, you can be a writer. You don't mind writing. If you want to make videos for people, I mean, you go on Fiverr and people will give you a script to read, and you know, and you can overlay their voice or your voice on their videos. I mean, there's so many ways to make money online. Is a lot besides the typical blogging and email lists. Those are side jobs, side hustles you could do also. But if you're not into doing stuff like that, I would say do something that you're good at. Whatever you're good at, try to put that stuff online. If you're a good painter, if you know how to fix things, if you know a lot about computers, you can get people to hire you for those services as well. So there's plenty of websites you can sign up for that. Quick, Craigslist, Fiverr is really, really good for that. Upwork. So that's my message for the day, is to see what you're good at and monetize that. If you're not good at anything, I write that problem too. When you're 22, 23, you know what you want to do. My suggestion to you is whatever you like doing in your free time is what you should focus on. So when I was like 24, 25, I should do more gaming content because I was into gaming heavy. So I should have done that in the beginning. So if you're a heavy gamer or you play Xbox or PlayStation all the time, you should do a gaming channel. Just do a gaming channel and it's recording and stream, and these services now will hold your stream, will record your stream, and you just, you know, edit a video and put it on YouTube. It's very simple. So that's the end of my video. Whatever you're good at, you monetize it the best way you can. Use the internet to get your message out. And I was talking to someone this last week about they want to do some consulting, like how to show people how to save money and pay off debt, because they went through it and they paid up almost all their debt off, and they want to show other people how to do it. And I told her, what you should do is, like, you know, start, you know, if you want to start a consulting business, anything like that, what I would do is do it for free for a while. Go on Facebook, go on LinkedIn, do it for free. Do it for free for maybe a month or two. Just do it, you know, a consultation once a week. Do it for free. See if you like it first. Do it for free. Then, if you do a good job, have those people leave the review on Facebook, and then you can start something. You know, you have grounds. And I also suggest you do a YouTube channel. Do a YouTube channel talk about getting people tips on money. Start your blog. Now, the money situation be harder because everyone's talking about money. But you can start a small blog that's talking about money saving tips. Start a YouTube channel, and you get to build yourself up. Okay, it's like a snowman. You gotta build the snowman, and you start from the bottom and all the way to the top. Then you're done. So you gotta start from the bottom. So that's a message for the day. There's a lot of ways to make money online. Just what you're good at, stay at it, keep plugging along, and just do it. And just do it. My name is Todd with xking.com. Thanks for watching.